Okay, so here at our school, we have a big focus on service learning, but a lot of times before we can figure out how to make a service learning project work, we have to figure out who we're serving and what goal we hope to achieve, and that begins with advocacy, all right? So advocacy is defined as lending voice and talents to causes of a problem and or to promote action or change. Okay, so advocacy means think about somebody who needs help and then figure out your talents and how those two things could align. So I know that if I am a good writer, that perhaps part of my talent in fixing a problem would be to write an article to the newspaper or write a letter to someone who could impact change, right? So those are my talents, and then whoever I was hoping to help, I could lend those talents to help that change, all right? So as you're thinking about advocacy and service learning, think about what you're good at and then how that could help you once we get our project rolling. After you decide how you're going to be an advocate, right, we have to figure out what you're actually going to say. And that's where the argument comes in. So an argument is a logical representation of how a writer sees an issue, problem, or subject supported by valid reasons and evidence. So if I'm trying to cause change or I would like to promote awareness, my first step in that needs to be my argument. I have to prove that whatever I'm hoping to improve or change is actually an issue, okay? So through a logical representation, so not through exaggeration or false facts, through logical and truthful data, I have to prove that something is an issue, problem, or a subject to be changed. And then I have to support that with valid reasons and evidence. That's going to convince the readers or the audience that what I'm saying is true and actually needs more attention. Okay, so advocacy and argument go hand in hand together, especially when we're working with service learning.